Mesdames, s'il vous plaît, vous pouvez passer avec moi ici, s'il vous plaît.
Ok, je vais voilà. Bon, s'il y a des passagers qui arrivent,
va. Ça va?
You were letting me carry all of this,
No,
just watching
I was
me.
gonna walk next to you as you were walking. I was gonna ask you the time or some shit. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, of course. You were? What were you saying? What were you telling yourself? Just yapping. Just yapping. Yeah. Yeah? What do you mean, how do I know that I use here? I know everything everywhere, whenever I want. Yeah? Good. Thank you. It's very hot. I have to open it a little bit. It's really hot. I thought your train was gonna arrive at 2:30, so I was a bit taking my time and stuff. I was gonna take food and eat.
I was also confused because we started late. Because when we started in Germany,
Yeah.
it was half an hour after we started.
Yeah.
And I thought that the Paris is half an hour to here.
One time, yeah. Away from the traffic, so we can get a cab. Easy peasy. So I was gonna have a lunch, and then I check your paper again, and I see it's 2. What the fuck? So I tell the Thai pad guy, give me my food straight. And I didn't eat it. I still have it here. Yeah. Pad Thai guy. Today going hot a little bit. Yesterday, hot, but the 4 days before it was a really nice, a little bit chilly weather, as I love it. This is really nothing compared to what we had.
Demek için seni havalarına yol değil.
Like a doctor in the country. That's what my mom said. My mom said she doesn't like my outfit. It's too much. She was in the hospital, you know.
Women, huh? Ah, yeah. This is like button station. Look. Yeah?
Easiest travel of my life.
Yeah, train is so.
I feel nothing. It feels like I just had a long sitting in a car.
In the, yeah.
Like it was incredible.
Yeah.
Going into the train, getting out of the train,
Yeah.
felt like 1 hour maximum. It felt much less because I was working on my computer.
Train is really the best for me.
And also it was very, very, like, you understand how close all of this
Everything is close, yeah.
I remember in LA, wow, that was like 1/2 was longer, was longer than this one now. A very shitty city.
Why?
It's just not nice. Like the only thing that's really impressive is the cathedral. The cathedral is highly impressive, but the city itself is very not nice. Like the buildings aren't beautiful. A lot of people on drugs and alcohol and stuff. on
It's
the
like
streets.
Berlin?
No, Berlin is better.
Okay.
Berlin is better because Berlin, it's very different. I can't really describe it, but Cologne, I was shocked. I wasn't expecting that.
Does it look like a historical city, or is it more of this newly built?
Well,
built?
there are some like historical things like here and there, some monuments in between, but most of the buildings are quite new, but not new in terms of nice and new.
The look.
More like after the Second World War
Yeah.
new. You know what I mean? Really not nice. I was expecting much more.
Cologne. Is it in the west or south of Germany? Southwest? Center?
Northwest.
Northwest, okay.
But it's the fourth biggest city in Germany.
After Berlin and Munich
It's Berlin,
and Hamburg?
Hamburg, Munich, and then Cologne.
Okay.
And Cologne has around 1 million citizens, and Vienna, you have to imagine, has 2.
Mm-hmm.
So you have an idea.
Yeah. In French it's called Cologne,
Cologne.
and in English, Cologne.
Cologne?
Yeah.
I thought Cologne.
Or maybe in English it's Cologne, and both in English and French. And actually, yeah, Cologne is the German way to write it, but you pronounce it Köln because you have the double dots on the O.
It's just Köln.
Köln, yeah.
Oh. I've never seen this building, I
Yeah,
think.
me neither. There is a building somewhere in Paris, and